Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and I will be teaching you how to make your own FNF Engine part 1. So today we are going to be covering how to use Alphabet.hx, which you're going to be using this a lot, and I'll just show you what the processes are a bit. So first you want to download is the source code kit and follow all the instructions right here. And then after that, you would have it right here, and basically, what does Alphabet.hx do? So it's a font made by the actual creators, that was programmed in Hexi. That's the best way I can simplify it. You'll be using this a lot in your option menus to custom menus. You're gonna use it everywhere that you would display text, basically. So first, you want to open this in Visual Studio. There should be more options. Let's scroll, let's do it manually. So right here, you want to go into Visual Studio. I have XGen open up to right here, so I'll just open a different folder, and you'll find this. There it is. Okay, there it is, Funkin' Master. And I'll open up the source folder. But I'll be using Visual Studio Code because it's kind of meant for stuff like this. It's meant for just editing folders and stuff, like really good. So basically, today we're going to be basically enhancing the options menu with using Alphabet.hx. So first, which one is this? No, not the options menu. This right here. So first, what you want to do is you want to edit all this text yourself. You just add. You do a comma and then do whatever you want right there. And to remove, you just remove this right here, including a comma right next to it. I won't be editing this because I don't need to. Actually, no, I'll be editing this because they're right there. So actually no, because we're in Learn Arts, so we're gonna be doing fancy scrolling up. So first thing is you want to change this XFL group right here to, instead of XFL text, make it to Alphabet. Next after that, just to Alphabet. Just make sure I got this correct. And now right here, just change it. Basically, right now we're just changing this to support the alphabet thing. Now, usually the alphabet supports most FXO text functions. Just some stuff is a bit different. So let's check this. Change that to Alphabet. So now what we have right here is this, right? You might be thinking we're done. You're not. How this works is we want to have let's get rid of all of this. This is our X, this is our Y. Then what you want to do is you're gonna put your text right here. Now in this case, is it gonna be text menu items, and just put I right there. Next, there's gonna be two booleans, bold and typed. You're not gonna be really using type that much, but you are gonna be using bold. So the difference between having a bold, that one, is if you don't have it on bold, it'll give you the normal text. You usually see this in my extra thumbnails. That's in you know the text in my thumbnails, right? My normal thumbnails for XGen, right? Those are that is the non-bold version of this font. The bold version is basically it's bigger and it's filled with white right there. So now, after you're done doing that, you want to save this, and then you want to open up your Funkin' Master. Right click to open it with Windows Terminal. If you're on Windows 10, you can click File and then click Open PowerShell. So now you want to do Lime Test Platform you want to compile to. In this case, it is Windows. Now, if it's your first time compiling, this will take a while. And yes, it is my first time compiling. I literally just downloaded this a few minutes ago. So this is kind of the perfect time to kind of review stuff. And after that, I'll just fast forward this because it takes literally around 10 minutes. So Alphabet is mainly used for just rendering fonts. Basically, it's mainly just used for text rendering. You're gonna use this in your options menu. If you have something like in fact where you press 7 on the main menu, it shows you a bunch of debug tools. Yeah, that's using Alphabet.hx. If you want to use Alphabet.hx in the form of options menu, you can literally do that how you do normal FLATLANDS texts. Just change the parameters and make sure that instead of saying FLATLANDS text, it's Alphabet. Oh wait, one more thing. God damn, I'm an idiot. There's one more thing you have to do. I forgot about this. Copy this right here, and if you go to where we have to make something called API stuff.hx. I forgot what it is. And after that, you just paste it in and save. My bad on that part. I forgot about that part. You can compile this again. And that's basically it. Probably I'm going to either do a cut or fast forward. Yeah, I'm probably just going to do a cut. So I'll cut when it's all ready. Well, just right here. Alright. So it's done compiling. Took about a while. It took a while. Shut up, alright? I don't care. So basically, if we go to our options menu now, look at it. New font. Well, this is really clunky. I don't like this. Well, the bold version is bigger. So the easiest way to fix that is getting it into your source code, and in the part where it does this, instead times it by 50, times it by 100. And this value can just depend. I think I did 100 in XGen. So yeah, that's how you can fix it being clumped. So that's how you use Alphabet.hx. You use this literally everywhere. So well, now everybody, peace. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video, live stream or devlog. Peace.